Welcome to the first workshop video about our new Abox Junction boxes. The current Abox range comes in various sizes and colours, as well as in a Pro version designed for extreme conditions. The mounting options are more extensive than ever before. Both versions, for example, are suitable for wall, mast or cable tray mounting. The standard Abox even features membranes at the mounting points that prevent screws from falling out. The Abox can be easily aligned using a laser or marked guidelines to ensure the perfect connection point for existing cables or planned empty conduits. Always remember the insulation plugs located at the bottom of the box, or, as in the Abox Pro, injected into the lid to ensure full insulation properties of the box. With external mounting brackets, a wall mounting can also be quickly implemented outside the ceiling area. For cable tray systems, we offer the AB versions with external mounting brackets, which have pre-punched holes for M6 screws. Simply break out the pre-punched hole and secure it with a lock nut. Additionally, the KTB cable tray mounting kit helps you attach any Abox and other enclosures to different cable tray systems. Simply open or punch out the base membrane depending on the enclosure. Insert the mounting element horizontally into the elongated hole, then simply screw the bolt through the base opening and insert the insulation plugs. With the KTB and the adapter pieces, you can also mount Aboxes on wire trays. To do this, bend the outer brackets to secure them, then punch out the base pre-punched hole again, screw the bolt into the KTB, and you're done. With the mast mounting kit, you can attach the Aboxes to masts and pipes. For this, punch out the pre-punched holes at the base. Then, attach the included metal bracket to the box bottom. Again, remember the insulation plugs. With the metal bracket, you can easily wrap the quick release clamp around the pipe and tighten it at the back with a screwdriver to a torque of 2.5 Newton meters. For larger boxes like the 250 and 350, simply attach two metal brackets. Make sure the heads of the brackets always face outward. For cable entry, boxes up to the size of Abox 100 feature soft entry membranes. Starting from Abox 160, and in all Pro types, they come with punch-out membranes. With the soft membrane, you can simply push the cables through. To ensure IP66, pull the cable back slightly. The boxes offer a continuous, partially overlapping sealing area. You can even insert the cable conduits directly into the membrane. Alternatively, you can push out the membrane and replace it with a cable gland. For the outer M32 entries, punch out 4 times and then pull the membrane. With the Pro version, it works with a firm hit on the screwdriver. With double membrane seals, you achieve IP66, and with a cable gland, you can even reach IP69 and IP67. The KVR cable glands ensures that flexible cables are securely strain relieved. With our SLK variant, you can easily connect rigid and flexible cables together. You can install the Abox Pro outdoors, in all weather conditions and direct sunlight, whether in industrial environments, barns, or maritime applications. It's absolutely no problem. For more information, visit spelsberg.com/Abox.